Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary. I do hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel. So today we'll be doing a hair review on this RPG hair that I bought. Let me show you this box. So it came in this box and I just got this bag with it. That was it. This is not a sponsored video. This is hair that I bought with my own money. So let's get straight into the video. So as I stated, this hair is from RPG Hair and it's their Big Density 360 Lace Wig Body Wave Indian Remy hair. The review will be based on a list of items that I have here written down, and based on the amount of stars it received, that's how we'll know whether or not it's a good review or a bad review. So we'll start off with the longevity of the hair. For longevity of the hair, I'll give it a star because I do believe that it will last a bit. Does it take bleach? Well, I am not sure because I did not bleach the hair, but I'll just give it a star because I do believe that it would take the bleach. Does it take heat well? I do not think it takes heat well. I've placed heat on the hair and no, it doesn't hold a curl. If I curl it, I would have to either pin curl it for a while or put rods in it to let it hold, but it doesn't take a curl well. It does not take heat well. Texture or curl pattern. So the texture or curl pattern, as you can see, this is what I got when I washed it, because this is freshly washed with no product in it. And this is, to me, this is not a body wave texture. Yeah, to me this is more water wave texture, not a body wave. Length and density. For the length of the hair, it is not true to length. So I'm going to measure it right now to show you guys, because I measured it before and it was not true to length, but because I want you guys to see that I'm not lying, I'm going to measure it on camera. So I'm taking hair from the front, and I did not cut the hair any at all. So I'm taking hair from the front and I'm placing it right here, and then I'm going to bring it down, and this is where it stops. It stops at 17 inches at the front. I'm going to mess up my hair a lot right now, so I'm taking hair from the back, I hope you guys can see this. So I'm taking hair from the back now and I'm putting it exactly where the wig end is. See, I hope you can see that. It's right on the tip of the wig, and then I'm going to place it right here, and it's at 17. So it's on there, it's there. So it is 17 inches. Density, I do not believe it is a 150 density hair. I've seen review on this hair because that's the reason why I purchased this hair, and the 150 density that I've seen on others is not the 150 density that I have received. I don't know. This to me is like a 130 density. Does the hair shed? It has minimum shedding, so I'll give it half of a point for that. Does the hair tangle? It does tangle a bit at the back, but every hair does that, so I'll just give it the point for tangle. Did it ship on time? No, it did not ship on time. Is it worth the price? I don't know. I paid $100 and I don't remember. I think it was $100 and something for it. Let me check it out. I'm going to put in the information in the website, and then we're going to see how much it is. Alright, so that's the information. I don't know if you can see it, but I placed the information in where it is. Hair length 18 inch, natural color, medium cap, 150 density and medium brown, and it came up to $144.25, based on the fact that it was based on the length of the hair that I received, that my pricing went up, and I did not receive that length of hair. No, it's not worth it, because I purchased 18 inches and it's not 18 inches. So no. The last one is service. So due to the fact that I did not receive my hair on time, they didn't ship it out on time, they didn't email me and say that it was not coming out on time, I didn't buy it when there was supposedly to be like bulk ordering, because I didn't buy it in Christmas time, I didn't buy it Black Friday, I didn't buy it any of that time. So I don't believe their service was good. I think they could have better service. That's the end of this video, guys. I do hope that you enjoy the review. So based on all of what I got, they received 3.5 points out of 10. So if you want to buy the hair based on that, I guess it's up to you. But would I buy hair from RPG hair again? Most likely maybe not. Maybe if I see that they have changed. I've seen a lot of YouTubers have good quality hair, but people in the comments would say that, oh, the hair is not that good, which to me it's the same for me. Please remember to like, comment, share on all my videos, and I hope you stick around. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.